Hi, and welcome back. Week 2 of cooking Turkish. We have a recipe for chicken curry from scratch. Alright, so by now, I've probably already had my biopsy. I do apologize. I'm pre-recording this. I don't want anybody to see that. The biopsy that I had on my thyroid, that was terrible. I don't want to have anybody see me, honestly, in that condition, especially if this is going to bruise and swell up. People who have to see me will see me, but it should be going down by the time I go on my vacation. But I digress. Let's go ahead and read the ingredients for the chicken curry. All right, 1 large onion, chopped. 1 teaspoon ginger, fresh ginger. There are 3 tablespoons of butter. Again, I'm out of butter. 6 tablespoons of single cream or whipping cream. 1 to 3 pounds of chicken. I have about 2 cups of chicken that I canned that I'm going to add to this. Excuse me, 4 cups. I have 4 of these. All right, 4 tablespoons of mint chopped, 2 tablespoons of parsley chopped, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of mashed garlic, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 2 cups of chicken stock. I have pork/chicken stock that I'm trying to get rid of. So I'm going to be using that. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And I do believe the rest of this is garnish. 1 tablespoon of preserved ginger is like a finish. It goes in as soon as it comes off of the heat. So I have my jars of preserved ginger. So let's get started. We're going to add our butter substitute. Our onion. Frozen ginger. It's fresh, but it's frozen. Don't forget the garlic. Okay, 2 tablespoons of curry powder. I'm looking at the ingredients on here, and there's absolutely nothing to make it thick. Kind of like a normal, regular curry that you would have. This is... It's relying on the curry powder to thicken up. That's not enough. I'm going to go ahead and thicken it up with a little bit more starch, as well as maybe some, add the spices like the parsley and the dill. Those are supposed to be toppings, but I'm going to go ahead and cook them in here. And I have, reading through the recipe, it wants the mayonnaise and the whipped cream in a ring mold to cool off. And you're supposed to serve this on top of a rice bed. I honestly think that this is supposed to be like a multi-dish if you think about it. You have the rice pilaf underneath it, and this just gets poured on top and everybody grabs it. It's the only thing I can think of, but we're going to make it my way. About a tablespoon of starch, and with a little bit more of the stock, and whip that up. This is supposed to thicken up, and there's nothing in here to thicken up. And we're going to go ahead and get that in along with the chicken. I I did add a little bit of salt because I'm pretty sure this is going to be bland and bland and more bland. All right, there's my 2. I do believe that they add turmeric to the yellow curries. It doesn't ask for turmeric. It just has fresh dill and fresh parsley, which I have fresh dill. Add that. Now I have dried parsley, which I'm going to go ahead and crinkle up in here. And at the end, we're going to add a little bit of the heavy whipping cream. It's 6 tablespoons, which is about 1/4 of a cup-ish. And then the preserved ginger. I'm going to leave these whole because I don't feel like chopping these up. And I need to use this jar up. That looks a little bit better. A little bit thicker. And this would definitely go on rice. Taste to see if you want any salt, if it needs any more salt or pepper. We're going to taste it now. Ooh. Definitely taste the curry. Definitely taste the curry. It doesn't need any more salt. Maybe a little bit of pepper if you wanted to. But I'm going to add it to this one. Because I already have pepper in the soup that we made for last week. Because we're going to be eating all of this week. That's actually not bad. White rice would sop this up very well. Or maybe a pilaf. But definitely a do again. Just my way. Alright, so that is it for this week's. Like I said, I'm doing this all at once. But I do want to go ahead and show you. I have babies. My sweet potatoes that were given to me decided to make more. So I'm going to go ahead and plant these because I'm out of greens. I need more pesto. Thank you for joining. Hope you enjoyed. And we'll see you next time.